Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Realme C67 device. Once you have changed your Google account password, it will automatically be updated for all Google services, including the Google Play Store. You will need to use your new password the next time you sign into the Play Store. Okay, and then let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, after that, here you can select Google account. Okay, and then here please choose personal information. And then you can scroll down. And then select password here. Okay, and then before changing your email password, you will be asked to enter your old password. If so, please click next and then enter your new password. And confirm your new password. Okay, after that, you can click the change password and wait a minute. Okay, and then now the Google Play Store account password on your device is successfully changed. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.